In this tutorial, we'll go through the different ways you can present your work in Overflow, as well as some useful keyboard shortcuts that can make the process more enjoyable for you and your audience. You can start your presentation by clicking on the play icon in the top right corner of your screen. Alternatively, you can use the keyboard shortcut Command+Enter on Mac or Control+Enter on Windows. Any of those will take you from the Overflow editor to the Overflow player, where you can access a playable version of your user flow diagram. There are two ways to present your work inside Overflow. The first one is the presentation mode, which lets you present in a bird's eye view, allowing you to zoom in and out to different parts of the user flow diagram. The second mode is the prototype mode that shows one screen at a time and lets you click on interaction areas to navigate around your screens. Let's first have a look at the presentation mode, which is the default mode each time you switch to the player. Note that all of your diagrams, hotspots, and connectors are clickable and automatically take you to their respective destination screens. Additionally, using the arrow buttons of your keyboard will take you to the very next element in any direction you wish to go. Zoom in by keeping the Z button pressed and select the area you want to focus on. Zoom out by pressing the Option and Z buttons together and clicking with your mouse. Use space and drag to pan around to set your viewport. Use these shortcuts to navigate smoothly through your user flow and give your audience an engaging walkthrough. If you wish to go back to your presentation starting point at any time, simply click on the 1 button of your keyboard. There may be times when you might need to temporarily hide your diagram's connectors. Press the Tab button once to hide. Press once again to make them reappear. The second mode to present your work in Overflow is the prototype mode. This mode helps you drive more focus on each screen by simulating the feel of a final product, allowing you to collect design feedback on an individual screen level. You can toggle between the two modes anytime by clicking on the icons in the top center of your screen. Alternatively, as long as a screen is selected while in presentation mode, hit Enter and you will automatically be redirected to the rapid prototype, starting from your selected screen. As with presentation mode, clicking on hotspots and interaction areas will take you to their respective destination screen. As connectors are not visible in this mode, in case you're unsure where to click, press Shift to highlight the current screen's interaction areas. The directional arrow keys of your keyboard work here as well. If you have used shapes in your diagram to mark decision trees, these will also appear while moving from screen to screen. By clicking on the shape, you'll see the possible outcomes. Choose the one you prefer to go to the respective destination screen. The Rapid Prototype mode also offers various views, which can be selected either by using this drop-down menu or by pressing the corresponding shortcut keys from 1 to 5. The default view shows your design in actual size. It's worth highlighting a couple of interesting and commonly used views. The Device view, which can also be brought up by pressing 5, shows your design inside a device skin, making the screen scrollable. Pressing 3 will enable the Fit view, which will zoom to fit your whole design inside your display. Feel free to experiment with other views to find out which one fits your particular needs for the designs you'll be presenting. Once you finish presenting in either of the two modes, press Escape to return to the Overflow editor.